Good afternoon from another location in Malaysia. We are now in Georgetown in the state of Penang. So this is an island kind of in the northwest of the country. We arrived here by bus yesterday and kind of just took a quick walk around, and today is our first full day of exploring the city. So we're just taking a walk now. I want to check out the street art in the city because apparently there's a ton of it here. We've seen a little bit already. I love street art, so we're gonna go check that out and then see what there is to see along the way, because we keep coming across all of these very interesting buildings with intriguing architecture, lots of Chinese influence, British influence, and apparently there's some Danish influence even. So this is a very multicultural city, and it will be really fascinating just to take a walk around. Cool. We've come across this museum here and it looks really interesting, so we're going to go in. I can't even remember what it's called, the Leong Khoo San Clan House? I'll write it.
Me as if I'm gonna type.
Yeah, I'll write it on the bottom there. It looks fascinating so far. I feel like I've never seen fixtures on top of temples quite like this before. Like they're like entire boats of things going on. Beautiful architecture as always. Oh, there's a coin in there.
I wonder if somebody wedged down there.
It looks wedged.
Oh, I didn't know.
Wow, this is incredible. So the information that I gleaned from reading the plaques here in the museum is that this area was set up by the Khoo family, a family that can trace their descent back like 700 years. And they're a very prosperous family all throughout Asia. And this area here is where they set up basically a settlement. So, you know, hundreds of families from the same family lived here. And this is where they conducted worship and administration for the area and all sorts of things like that. Very interesting. That was a really cool stop, very educational about the area. Oh, this is Kitty Street. Hello, sweet kitty. Aww.
How the locals live. Oh no, that cat has a mouse or something there.
Oh, does he? They sure like cats around here. Carl noticed that this one is like a crazy yin yang. This one is like incorporated into this tree root. Amazing. It appears we have found street art of Georgetown. There's a lot of these wire installations all over the city, and they're all made. Ooh,
Whoa.
They're all made by the same artist group, obviously, and they have little interesting tidbits about the area. So, Lumut Lane Core Zone, the birthplace of Ahmad Rashid Talou, the first to write an original Malay novel with local setting and local characters. I have to check that out. This is the duck and prawn fried rice. Duck and prawn fried rice. It smells amazing. And you have the bihun soup or something?
Yeah, some kind of spicy soup. It's got like a
Oh, meatballs, yeah. Chicken meatballs.
nice prawns, some nice noodles, some veg. How's the street art?
Amazing. I knew it was going to be amazing. But probably my favorite thing to do when I travel is to just wander around the city and check out the street art. So obviously I love it. The street art here is a little bit of a tourist attraction, I guess. This is a very touristy area, it would seem. And I wonder which came first, the touristy area or the street art? We came into this little shop. I think it's called Animal... What was it called again? It's just full of art on the walls. Absolutely beautiful.
Well, look at the books.
Mhm.
Can't exchange or buy.
Yeah, these books aren't for sale. But there's stuff at the front that is for sale. But that's actually pretty cool. It's called ASA, Artists for Stray Animals. Amazing place. I definitely recommend just going to check out that store just to see all the art in there. We just come to this little street stall at the end of our day of exploring. It's just been actually pouring rain for the past while here, so it's a good reason to stop anyway. And I need a reason to stop searching for the street art, so it's all a win-win. Georgetown is a UNESCO World Heritage City, so that has huge implications, but basically what it means for us is that there's a ton of history in the city and multi-cultures and a lot of visible architecture from all of those cultures that have been in this area over the centuries. So So we barely scratched the surface of the things to do and see in Georgetown, and hopefully over the next couple of days we're gonna see those things. And overall, I'm so happy with the street art that we found today. It's just oozing out of every corner of the city, which is my favorite thing. So obviously I'm very happy, and there's still so much more that we need to see. I know there's a lot of really famous murals around the area that we did not find. So hopefully we come across those luckily, but if we don't, I'm going to search them out as well. So hopefully in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be showing even more street art.